I just came in the night, so I shown you the night view of this guest house. But now I'm going to show you the day view. Actually, it was too late for me, and I was very tired. Now let me show you the guest house where I'm staying in Illandsvej. It's really a good location. It's very near to beach. You can just walk down hardly 5 minutes to the beach, and this cost me around 25,000 rupees, nearly Indian rupees, for 3 nights. So if you book little bit early, you might get some good discount, but I just book on the day where I have to travel actually. So I was just lucky to get this guest house, and that's why I'm here. So let me show you inside the guest house how it looks like. You have ample car parking here. You can see for each unit there is a car parking, so there should not be any issue of your car where you can park, and it is very safe. There is a upstairs is also there. People can stay in the upstairs. I taken the downstairs because everything was booked, so you can have your parking here. There is also a nice swimming pool here. I can show you that. That's the beautiful swimming pool here. You can enjoy your swimming if you want. You can sit here next to swimming pool, enjoy from here, and you can see behind the beautiful mountain just opposite of this guest house. Let me take you outside. So in this guest house also there are two a play room is there. You can have table tennis to play. You can have snookers also. You can play snookers. It's really a good guest house. You can see so many TT bats are here. See, lot of table tennis balls, TT bats are here. You have one stick of snooker, 2 sticks are also there here, and it's really a good place to hang around and enjoy your evening leisure time with your kids or with your friends, with a table tennis or snooker, whatever you like. This is where my downstairs guest house which I booked. This is the hall where you can see the TV and the sofa. Everything looks good, and it's all matte, very neat and clean. A nice dining table is there. You have a kitchen here. A gas kitchen is here. So having a fridge and all the cutleries and everything is there. Let me show you the master bedroom. This is the beautiful master bedroom I have. This is where the cupboards were given. There is one more room for children. So if you have kids, you can come here. That also looks nice. You have 3 beds inside the kids room. And this is the toilet. This is how the toilet is look like. It's quite nice. So I hope you have enjoyed this short video on my guest house which I booked. So if you come to Illandsvej, there are many guest houses are there. This is one of them. I really liked it. It has everything. I got the Wi-Fi. I got even the basic things which is required to stay in a house. Everything is there. Only thing is which I forgot is to bring salt and the Indian spices. But one good thing is in South Africa, if you go to any remote areas, mostly you'll find a Bangladeshi shop or a Pakistani shop, and those shops really sell all those turmeric powder, your masalas, or anything like cooking oil. So those kind of things you'll get it in in those Pakistani shop. So I just inquired where I can get salt, because without salt it's very difficult for us to eat. So luckily there was a Pakistani shop where I went then and I purchased a lot of my stuffs like masalas, groceries, salt, Maggi, and also some vegetables also. Just I kept for my safety in case, because there is not many more restaurants here, only one I guess, which I didn't explore actually. So I mostly planned throughout the day here and there, so I just kept those foods on my guest house, so that in case of emergency I can use that and eat it. So you don't have any issues here. If you want a calm and quiet place to stay from the hustle bustle of city, it's very calm and quiet. You will only hear the birds sound and the sea beach waves sound, actually, I mean the splashing of waves of sea. So this is a really good place to hang around and just remain calm and quiet and enjoy the beauty of the nature, and also the beauty of this guest house and also the sea.